back, continuing to work on Fairyland. Last time we worked on getting the papers onto the boards and the greenery glued to the boards. And we also glued our stone base to the board. And now what we're going to do, we have these two little waterfalls. One of them goes here, even with this, and one of them goes here, even with this. Next, we want our wind and rain pavilion. It says, as shown in the figure, put the light line through the bottom. Now that would be this little hole. So that is over here. And we are going to have to make a hole. So I'm just making a small hole with my tweezer point. And you can see it's not very big at all. Right there. They're showing they already put their hole through for this too. So I will push that through also. Right here. So this is sitting this way. And we need our wind and rain pavilion from way back at the beginning, which is right here. Here's our wind and rain pavilion. We want the front of our pavilion pointing out into the dirt. Now we're going to set this aside. Now we want board A01, which is the big board, and we want a paper cutout of A26-27. And that's on here, that's this with the goldfish, and this was piece 1 of 3. I don't think there's any particular side of the board. And next, we want to take A17. A17 is a brown piece, 31 centimeters by 3 centimeters. And it says there's 2 of them, and I believe this is them, by 31 centimeters. We got 10, 20, 31. So this is A17, and we want that to be centered with like ½ centimeter sticking out on each side. So you want the brown out and up, and it's glued on the outside, ½ centimeter on each end. Pretty much. And one goes here, and then the F18s go here. And those are the other 2 smaller pieces in here. These. And they will go between and the brown up. Okay, so next we want to take our piece 14, which is this part, and we want to glue that down. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a outline of that piece right here. And next, we want us to get pieces 824 and 825. And those pieces are plexiglass. They're transparent, but they got coverings on them. Two pieces 824 are 30 centimeters, and two pieces 825 are 21 centimeters. And it says it's bag A, but mine were actually have been in my little plywood bag. So here are these pieces of plexiglass. Tear off the craft paper on the plexiglass and then put them along the edges. So now we want to glue these into the sides. We want to glue the longer ones in first. Now we want this piece, and that will go right in there. So we have to be pretty exact with our cutting, because that will lay up on top of those little plexiglass pieces. Okay, I think that's good. There we go. There's our water. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next time.